How to control any iPhone from your Android phone. Hello guys, this is Adkis and welcome to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'm gonna teach you how you can control any iPhone from your Android. So before we begin, if you're new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also, press the bell icon so you get notified for when we release a new video. And without any further ado, let's jump right in. So to control Android phone, to use your Android phone to control an iPhone, you'll need to download an app called AnyDesk. So it's available on your Android and also your iPhone. So download this app on both of those devices. So for your Android, go to your Play Store, and for your iPhone, go to your App Store. And all you have to do is search for AnyDesk. This is the app right here. Open it up and install this. Install this on both of these devices. It's really important that you do. And then you can locate the app and then open it up. Now you'll need to give both of these the required permissions. So give it all the permission that it requires. And after it does, what you'll need to do is on your iPhone, you'll find a similar interface where you'll see an option that says your address. You'll need to copy that address from the iPhone and paste it on the enter remote address section on your Android. After you paste it here, you'll find an option where you can just start using the screen of that iPhone, and it's pretty simple. And that is all for today's video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye. Take care.